Hey everyone, hope the holidays went well and you got to spend a lot of time with family and friends. Welcome to our flagship store in beautiful Destin, Florida, where today we're excited to be launching a few new products that we're sure are going to be at the top of everyone's must-have list this holiday season. At Boat, this has been an amazing year. We've seen the introduction of category-changing products such as the Deus and the Lono, and we've also had the progressive development of our lifestyle categories like the Aero Couch and Aero Chair. All of these products have been developed using our Aero technology. But today, for the first time in over 3 years, we're going to introduce a product constructed from our Gator Shell technology. We've packed over 10 years of innovation and development into something that we feel is the icon of simplicity. We wanted to prioritize the ease of use and experience for the paddler, so we maximize stability and durability. We took some inspiration from our inflatable lines and really tried to focus in on what people were preferring. So today we're introducing the all-new Breeze Gatorshell. Molded with soul, we present our flagship of fun, the Breeze Gatorshell. Designed for stability and ease, crafted for durability and style, and wrapped with an affordable bow. Icon of simplicity, the Breeze is the perfect platform for pure paddling. From beach to boat, lake to surf, you'd be hard-pressed to find a more fulfilling paddling experience. When you close your eyes and think of paddleboarding, this is what you see. We've packed 10 years of innovation and design into something we believe is the tip of the spear for entry-level paddleboards. From our patented Gator Shell construction to our award-winning hull designs. Just in the search now. This is it. The Breeze Gatorshell, your new flagship of fun. And here it is, the all-new Breeze Gatorshell. We designed this board with pure paddling in mind. Prioritizing stability, reduced weight, and a more compact size, we listened to our consumer data and developed a board to fill a gap. While it may not pack in all the features of our HT and Flood, it has the same 10 years of construction innovation, from our molded core process to our seamless Gator Shell thermoforming. We also care deeply about the style. We wanted this board to be reflective of the rest of our line, so of course, it had to look badass. The Breeze delivers where other boards of its kind can't. And here to tell you more about it, let's kick it over to our co-founder, Magda Cooper.
Thanks, Corey. Welcome to the beautiful beaches of Destin, Florida. I couldn't think of a more perfect location to give you this scoop on the Breeze Gatorshell. When you close your eyes and think of paddleboarding, you think of this board in this location. To that point, I want to walk you through what makes this board our flagship of fun. Let's start with the shape. We've taken some traditional styling elements of our shorter surf style versions from the past and combined it with the wider, more stable version of our flat water boards. This gives it the flexibility to be used in multiple water types by paddlers of various skill levels, from entry level to subsurfing. Turning our eye on the feature set, you'll see that we've kept it simple, but yet on point functionally. Starting with our proprietary travel link sub-carry system, just attach the shoulder strap accessory to the board, let the core of your body do the work while carrying it with ease, hands-free. To keep your feet comfy on an all-day paddle, we've laid out our heat press sealed EVA traction pad. For those looking to pack a little extra, we've included our Kula tie-down plugs. We've got a 6 harness bungee system on the front of the board and a fully recessed grab handle in the center to carry it with ease. The Breeze features much more than what's on display here. Let's go beneath the surface with Pete Bazzelli to show you how it's made.
The Breeze Gatorshell is a perfect combo of our pledge to simple innovation. We've used our proprietary Gator Shell thermoforming technology to yield a plastic board with all the impact, abrasion-resistant characteristics of plastic while maintaining the soulful visual styling of our heritage epoxy construction. Or as we say, molded with soul. We combine 2 sheets of thermoformed plastic and compress them with 10,000 pounds of force into a molded closed cell EPS core and do it seamlessly. The rails of the board are encapsulated by a carbon fiber Anegra blend that's then painted to style. The seamless rails and compressed cord give the board a traditional look, a feel unrivaled by competitors' plastic boards. We don't want you to confuse durable with indestructible, but our tests show that our plastic fiber composite yields a shell that's 6 times tougher than competitors' pure ABS construction, and without the unsightly seams. The final result is a board that's durable, stylish, and functional, and in this case, as you'll learn, affordable. Let's kick it back to Magda. She's gonna take it for a test drive.
Pete, we got a seat saved for you, man. Maybe they'll let you out of that dark room soon. At 10.6 in length and 32 inches wide, the Breeze is our most stable, shorter length boards, which is the long way to say it's incredibly versatile. The planing or surf style hull help keep the board on top of the water in varying conditions. Breeze maxes out about 230 pounds for an experienced paddler, or about 180 pounds for those that are just getting started due to skill level. Standing near the center point of the board, balance and maneuverability are maximized. The curved rails and slightly concave deck give the Breeze a solid combo of stability and glide. If you're an entry-level paddler looking to get into a great board to get into paddling, just end the search now. Alternatively, if you're an experienced paddler looking to add a board to your quiver, you'll find the Breeze an exciting addition. I know I do.
Thanks, Magda and Pete, for the awesome information, and I'm personally excited to see the Breeze Gator Shell in motion. Of course, the question on everyone's mind, how much is it? Where can I get it? Well, starting today, the Breeze will be available on our website to ship immediately, just in time for the holidays. As for price, the Breeze is our most affordable Gator Shell board ever. With a price of only $8.99, we feel the Breeze packs the most punch for the dollar of any paddleboard on the market. We couldn't be more excited for the Breeze and think that it's an excellent addition to the boat lineup of stand-up paddleboards. While this event has had a lot of talk about the paddling experience, we didn't feel it would be complete without mentioning safety. Being on the water is thrilling and enjoyable, an experience everyone should feel, but without the proper safety gear, there's always risk. Every trip on the water should be followed up with a return trip home. I want to share with you today some new gear we developed to make that happen. Being safe isn't always sexy, but we did our best to make it happen. The new line of stylish boat inflatable PFDs, here to make sure you come home from your day on the water.
As the video says, being safe isn't always sexy. In fact, it's the least glamorous aspect of paddleboard gear. Let's be honest. How sexy is this when you're wearing this around your neck or strapped down to your board soaking up water all day? We set out to change that and feel we've done a pretty stellar job combining safety with sexy with our new line of inflatable PFDs. First up is our new belt pack PFD. It offers paddlers a better solution than the bulky foam PFDs that get in the way. Built with soft touch neoprene on the body side of the pouch, it offers you a comfortable feel while you're out in the water paddling all day. Each vest comes with a 16-gram CO2 cartridge, allowing you up to 16.5 pounds of inflation on each manual activation. Next up is our Vest Pack PFD. This is a great solution for anyone looking to kayak or paddle offshore. With the extra soft 300D polyester neckline and a slimline chassis, you won't only look good, but you'll also be comfortable while out in the water. We are extremely excited to offer our solution to returning home safely. Let's kick it back to Corey to take us home.
Nice, Zach. You've always been Mr. Safety. Just a little inside joke there. Just to recap the announcement, we've launched our latest and greatest Gator Shell board, the Breeze, or as our hokey slogan says, the flagship of fun. Of course, this thing isn't anywhere near the size of a ship, so we probably need to discuss that with the marketing team. And for safety's sake, we introduced 2 new styles of stylish boat inflatable PFDs, which personally, I'm pretty stoked for. Thanks to all of you who are already in Boat Nation and proud owners of boat gear. And to all of you who participate in the outdoors by introducing friends and family to the concept. This year has seen a reinvigorated interest in the outdoors, which has us extremely stoked for the future.